step power generating system. When we walk, we release some energy, pressure energy. Instead of wasting that energy, we can convert that energy into electrical energy with the help of piezo sensor plates, which are installed between the two soft core materials, and the energy is stored in this battery, and whenever we want to use the bulb, we can. When I apply the pressure here, the bulb will close. It will be installed in temples, in paths, overcrowded places, schools, steps. This was installed in Singapore shopping malls.
Anything else about this?
What would be the cost?
Yeah, this can actually be, it depends on the piezo sensor plates. In market we get different varieties of plates, different range. Some produce high energy, but we here have used low energy, which produce low, because the output here is very small. So when if you want to produce high energy, we should use piezo sensors which produce high energy. And it also depends on the how much we use it, and also on the piezoelectric plates.
Okay, I have one smallest question, a tiny question.
Yeah.
Shall I ask you?
Of course.
You are keep saying something called piezo.
Piezo, yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
And the input to this piezo is a mechanical energy.
Of course.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
And then it gives you an electrical energy.
Yeah. Yeah.
And to get a 1 watt of electrical energy output, what is the mechanical energy required?
See, it depends on the pressure, body pressure. On the body pressure.
That's what. See, my question is very clear.
Yeah, you're asking
Suppose
how much.
say if I want 1 watt of electrical energy, what is the input mechanical energy you need to give? I know that you have no answer.
Yeah. Yeah.
But this is a basic most curiosity question one must have before doing this project.
Yeah. What?
And today I am giving you this question, at least now and then.
Yeah.
I am sure you would start learning from that point of view.
Yeah.
Okay, you understand?
Yeah.
Because you are saying in Singapore and all fine. And I also know that little bit of this piezoelectric and all that sign. But you are so working hard on hitting it and showing me not even 1 milliampere current in the LED. So where I am going to greatly benefit out of that? That's the question for me. But anyhow, no problem. You keep working on it. And if you want any more electrical assistance in doing development of all that area, if you want more clarity in understanding electrical energy and electricity and all the stuff, you can always reach me. Do you have my number or something like that?
Yeah, of course I have your card.
Okay, no problem. Okay, that's fine. Now you understand. But anyhow, I hope you wanted to become something else than this. I remember.
Yeah, but it doesn't really matter.
Okay,
See,
no problem.
it
But
depends
what
on
is
the
your ambition now?
Designer,
Okay.
doctor.
You see? That's what. No problem, I understand. But at least you do one thing. Before you become a doctor, what you do, try to explain whatever the technology, science and technology you learn from here or somewhere else, and see, the way you explain is so nice. So what I request you, at least you can pass on to your juniors in the school and make them understand their basic. They might go into this field, right?
Yeah.
So though you are not going into that, but you can make them understand the concepts. That way also you can help nation, right? Thank you all.
Thank you.